Pardon me for looking fully insane. I did plasma fibroblasting, which I'll have a video out for soon. So I have 1 million layers of sunscreen, and I thought, well, if I'm gonna look fully crazy, let's fully wear my robe because I'm cold and go all out with a crazy look. Let's not do our hair, let's just be crazy looking. I'm going for it. But the point of today's video is I am starting the 3-day egg diet that I found on Pinterest. I have been working really hard doing my Noom diet, but I feel like I keep hitting these plateaus, and protein seems to be like the thing that kicks the plateau to the curb. So I felt like trying this 3-day egg diet might be the thing. And I will share with you what the recipes are or what the diet plan is, and let you know what my results are before and after. So 3-day egg diet, let's go. So here are the foods that you can have while you are on the egg diet. You can have eggs, obviously, skinless poultry, fish, beef, lamb and pork, low-carb veggies, low-carb fruits, 0-calorie drinks, butter, healthy oils like coconut oil and extra virgin olive oil, mayonnaise, and full-fat cheese. So the idea is that you're supposed to eat a minimum of 6 whole eggs every single day. And with every whole egg consumed, you should eat a tablespoon of healthy fats or butter. And then also for every whole egg eaten, you're supposed to consume some full fat cheese. And you're supposed to eat every 3 to 5 hours and stop eating 3 hours before bedtime. I'm halfway through day 1 of the egg diet and I'm still looking crazy, but I will tell you that I'm very sick of eggs already. And I will also tell you that I'm very full from each of the meals, and it's almost 5 o'clock and I just had lunch because I've been so full. And so it's really hard for me to consume all of the eggs that they want me to consume in this diet. This diet is supposed to help you get through weight plateaus, especially those that are on a keto diet. It will for sure trigger ketosis, and it definitely helps you move through those weight plateaus. Sugar, fried foods, refined carbohydrates, desserts of any kind, starchy vegetables, fast foods, all of that stuff is a no. Eggs contain choline, and choline is something in the liver that helps metabolize fat, and that's why this egg diet is supposed to be so good for promoting ketosis, promoting weight loss. So hopefully I'm pronouncing this right, but the purpose of having the cheese is cheese has casein and methionine, and both of those also help metabolize fats in the liver. To me, the main benefit of this diet is that eggs completely suppress your appetite, and you can only consume so much in a day when you're eating these eggs, and so that really helped me. I felt full all of the time. At the end of this video, you'll hear me talk about my weight loss, and I did want to add that I have continued to have that weight stay down since I ended this diet, so that's great news. Okay, so let's talk about the good, the bad, the ugly of my experience on this egg fast diet. First of all, I dropped 4 pounds in 3 days. We all know that that could be water weight, but I definitely crossed the plateau, and that was the goal for this. Let's talk about the bad. Things washed right through me. The eggs did not want to stay inside, they went right through me. So that could be part of the reason that I lost some weight. Second is I was trying my best to follow this diet to a T, but I absolutely could not consume more eggs by the end of most days. So I would have the boiled eggs, I would do all of the different recipes with the cheese and the oils, and it is very filling, which is a really good thing. So that was exciting to figure out, is that, you know, if I'm really feeling like I need to feel full, these are great options. But because I was feeling so full and beyond, like I couldn't do any more eggs, I did not consume every meal on this diet. I could not talk myself into it, which meant I was pretty low on the calorie chart from what is actually presented in this diet. Now, everybody's gonna be different in regards to what they crave and how they're satiated, but that's just how this went for me. So missing those carbs in these 3 days did make me feel fatigued. I will say that I did work out throughout this diet, the 3 days, so that also probably contributed to some of the weight loss. I did strength training every single day, and I did cycle one of the days. I didn't feel weaker, which is kind of what I expected, but I just felt like overall during my day, I felt a little bit more tired. That could be other factors in my life. It could be maybe I didn't get enough sleep, or it could just be hormones, all of that stuff. But that's how I felt during these 3 days. If I was really at another plateau, maybe I would try this again, but I'm gonna be interested to see like how things function afterwards. So yeah, 4 pounds in 3 days is pretty spectacular. But again, I didn't consume all that was requested, and but I did still feel satiated. So there's all of that. So hopefully this helps you decide whether or not this is something that you want to try. It's very keto friendly. If you have other questions about how I felt or other suggestions on some like quick little cleanses, diets, crash diets is what we call them, that you would like to see me try, let me know down in the comments. Thank you. Please subscribe if I got something for you. Thanks. Bye.